A refreshing salad of celery, walnuts, and feta cheese stirred up with a touch of mayo and Dijon, served in Belgian endive leaves. And like magic, this party snack idea disappears in record time. Let's make endive appetizers. This appetizer idea is truly magical. It is easy to prepare, it has big flavors, and it is party friendly. Now to make it, we're gonna start by assembling a salad of sorts. Let's start with 2 garlic cloves on a cutting board. First we dice, then we add a sprinkle of salt, and then continue to chop. As soon as it gets very fine, we draw the knife across the board. This is gonna mash up those cloves of garlic. Then that smushed garlic goes into a medium bowl, along with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of walnut oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Stir those ingredients together to mix up the dressing. If you can, try to find walnut oil. It flavors this dish perfectly and goes well with the other ingredients within. Now, let's say you're in a pinch, you can use vegetable or avocado or a canola oil. Continuing, cheese. I have a couple chunks of feta. We're gonna try to dice it into 1/8 inch cubes. It may crumble, that's okay too. Ultimately, we want 1 cup of the cheese for the recipe. Let's also add 2 ribs of celery. They are finely chopped. Stir everything together. Let's give it a taste. You can season with black pepper. The salad does not need salt. Now, to make the preparation of this appetizer easy, you can do that first step well in advance, then just cover it and place the salad into the fridge. Then, when your guests gather, or even if they're in the kitchen looking for something smart to eat, you can finish this off as follows. Let's finish the salad bit by adding 1 cup of finely chopped walnuts and about a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley. Next, we have Belgian endive. This elegant looking leaf veggie, it's a member of the chicory family. To use, we're gonna cut away the base of the head, then you can pluck the leaves off. We're then over to that salad. You can place a spoonful of the salad into the very end of the leaves and then arrange them on a service tray or attractive platter. And just like that, the most incredible party snack in record time. Now, in case you missed it, don't forget, 100% vegetarian and totally gluten-free, perfect for your next party. Know what else is perfect? The full recipe. It's up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when an appetizer is this appetizing, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@the-cottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Perfect for your next party, our easy endive appetizer. Pro tip, when you go to enjoy, try to pluck one that has a lot of salad right at the very end. Very tasty. Enjoy. Sure is. Yum.